A very good morning, my dear student. So, in last video, we have started that aromatic compounds and we have done the physical properties of that. So, today is going to be the last video for this chapter, and as well as your syllabus will also be completed by this. And today's video, we will do all that chemical properties of aromatic compounds. So, whatever the types of reaction which it gives, so that we will understand. So this is the chemical properties, and I have given you let me give you a small recapitulation for this. That reactions जो होते हैं that are of two type. One is called substitution and another is called addition reaction. Yes. So as I told you that one is of substitution, okay, and the next is addition reaction. So now if we'll go in detail, substitution is again of two type. One is by electrophilic substitution and next is nucleophilic substitution. Okay, so in this we will understand nucleophilic substitution reaction SN1 and SN2. There are the two types of reaction that we will do in class 12th in detail. Okay, substitution nucleophilic reaction. Now I just want to tell you that nucleophilic substitution is given by aliphatic. If we talk about the aliphatic ring or aliphatic chain, they give the nucleophilic substitution reaction. But if we talk about the electrophilic substitution reaction, or we can say that about the aromatic compound, so aromatic compounds always give electrophilic reaction, whether it is electrophilic substitution or electrophilic addition. Got it? So aromatic compounds, it gives electrophilic only, whether it is substitution or addition. So why it is so? Because if we talk about the aromatic compound, they are the highly unsaturated. Yes, that means double bond. So the electron density is quite high in this. Yes, so that's why the nucleophile, the attacking nucleophile, feels repulsion between that, and hence it cannot react in normal condition, at normal condition. So it always give nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic reaction जो होता है, whether it is substitution or addition, that is not possible in or we can say that the normal condition. But electrophilic reaction, whether it is substitution or electrophilic, that is done very easily on the benzene ring, because this is having high electron density and it is electron deficient compound, so highly compatible with each other, and that's why the reaction possible. Yes. So one question can be asked from this topic, like why aromatic compounds doesn't give nucleophilic reaction. So in that way you have to say that because benzene ring is electron high in electron density and nucleophile also in electron rich. So if it reacts, it feels the highly repulsion over there, and that's why it doesn't react. Yes. Arenes do undergo electrophilic substitution reaction like nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, and Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is the again important reaction of this topic and will be carried out in class 12th also, in which attacking reagent is always an electrophile. That means E plus is going to attack. Reason kya hai? That I have already told you. The reaction can be represented by like this. If you see the benzene has a hydrogen. So this is like E plus Nu. What it does mean? What does it mean? This is like suppose that I'm talking about CS3Cl. Okay, so in this case, this is going to break in CS3 plus and Cl minus, isn't it? So which one is going to attack on this? Whether is it going to react? No, this is nucleophile. This one is nucleophile and this one is electrophile. So that's why it is mentioned as electrophile and nucleophile. Got it? So electrophile will replace this hydrogen, not the nucleophile. Nucleophile will react with this replaced hydrogen. Did you get that? So here you got an electrophile got attached. I hope it is clear. So let's do some example, and the first example is Friedel-Crafts halogenation. If we talk about the Friedel-Crafts reaction, this Friedel-Crafts reaction is of three type. Okay, first is halogenation, second is alkylation, and third is acylation. Okay, ation, that means attachment. So halogenation, that means here it is going to chlorine or halogen is going to attach. Here alkylation, that means alkyl group will attach, and here acylation, that means RCO group will attach. This is RCO. Okay, so this group is going to attach. Clear? Be very careful what is going to attach. So this Friedel-Crafts hallucination, that means here we can see that this reaction Friedel-Crafts, how you will identify this Friedel-Crafts. This is always done in presence of an electron deficient compound, or we can say that the Lewis acid. So AlCl3, in presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3, we can say they are Lewis acid. They act as a Lewis acid. Okay. So in presence of these benzene on reacting with halogen in presence of Lewis acid, yeah, like AlCl3 or FeCl3, that is must. It has to be there, otherwise this reaction won't be possible. Okay. So then chlorobenzene we got. So sometime the question can be asked that what is the role of AlCl3? The role of AlCl3. One question will be that what is Friedel-Crafts hallucination? Okay, that is a reaction when benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of or halogen in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 or FeCl3, it gives a halobenzene. So what is the role of AlCl3 over here? AlCl3 helps to generate electrophile. Kaise? We will do in mechanism. Okay, so we'll do after 2-3 slides. So role of AlCl3 to generate electrophile. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. That means this is alkyl group. R group is going to attach on the benzene ring. Okay. So what will happen? This reaction is when benzene reacts with methyl chloride or alkyl chloride. We can say that any alkyl chloride. Whatever the alkyl we will use or alkyl chloride, that alkyl will be going to attach on the benzene ring. If it will be isopropyl, then it will form isopropyl over here. Got it? If it is butyl, butyl group will attach over here. If it is cyclopropyl, the cyclopropyl group will attach over here. So whatever the alkyl is there, that is going to attach on this. Clear? So when benzene reacts with alkyl chloride in presence of again AlCl3, I told you that Friedel-Crafts, it means that AlCl3 as a catalyst is must. Got it? So then it will give you CS3 attachment of CS3 over here. If we do further reaction, same reaction with CS3Cl in presence of AlCl3, then again the CS3 is going to attach on the benzene ring, and that will be decided by the group which is attached over here. ये जो group attached हुआ है उसके accordingly decide होगा. So CS3 is ortho para directing. We have done that direction, directive influence, directive nature we have done. So CS3 is ortho para directing. So that's why other upcoming group which is going to attach on this benzene ring will be attached either on ortho or on the para. So ortho and on the para, in which the para product is the major product. I have told you how, because of symmetry, resonance stabilized, and like this is, that's why this is, or non-polar and all that. So that's why this is paraxylene is the major product, or para product will be the major product. So did you get that? Yes. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. That means this time which group is going to attach? RC11O. यानी कि benzene ring with the benzene, this C इस तरह से attach होगा. Here it's a bond vacant. Got it? So it will attach from the benzene ring through this side, not through this side. R से attach नहीं होगा, the C से attach होगा. Got it? So let's see the reaction like benzene, and this is called acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. Okay. Again, in presence of this, it will give you acylation. One reaction is also acetylation. Acetylation. In both the case, the product is same. The product is same, but only the reactant will be converted. Like reactant reagent will be changed. In this case, acylation case, acyl chloride will react, and in case of acetylation, acetic anhydride will react. This is acetic anhydride. Okay. So acetic anhydride will react in presence of AlCl3 with the same mechanism. That mechanism we are going to do in next slide. And the same product will form. Product will also be same, exactly same. What will happen? This bond is going to break from this side, like यहाँ से, or any H, this H will be replaced by this group, and here it will be attached with the C, like I should attach like this, C double bond O and CH3. Okay, CS3, and along with this, what will be the product? CS3COOH. So in all the reaction, the side product was HCl, but in this acetylation, the side product is acetic acid. Got it? Rest everything is okay. Like product will be same, catalyst will be same, only the reagent will be different. Did you get that? Yes. Let's do mechanism, and this is very important mechanism. It will be asked in your paper. What is the mechanism? So this mechanism, Friedel-Crafts, occurs in three steps. Okay. So first step is to generate the electrophile, because we know that electrophile only will react. So first step is to generate electrophile. Step 1, generation of electrophile. How to generate the electrophile? Like this is Cl2, it is about halogenation. Okay. Next is alkylation. And the same will be with the acylation के साथ भी same हो जाएगा. ठीक है. If you want to say acylation के लिए भी same हो जाएगा. In this case it will be CH3, C double bond O, Cl, and AlCl3 will attach. So this Cl will attach to this and it will form AlCl4 minus plus CH3, C double bond O plus. Okay. How it is, like, let me show the mechanism कैसे होता है. So what will happen, I'm explaining one, it is same for the all. Okay, this will be here will be like heterolytic cleavage. So heterolytic cleavage, one will give you plus charge and another will have negative charge for sure. Okay, AlCl3 being Lewis acid will accept this Cl minus very easily to complete its octet and will form AlCl4 minus. Okay, got it? And hence in this way, due to the combination of AlCl3 with the Cl minus, the electrophile is generated over here. Cl plus is electrophile over here. So it's generated. Like CH3 is electrophile over here. CH3CO is electrophile over here. So AlCl3 का role क्या है? To generate electrophile. If AlCl3 won't be there, the Cl plus cannot form, isn't it? क्योंकि इसके साथ जब combine होगा, then only the compound will be formed, ना? That electrophile will be formed. So AlCl3 reacts with the negative part and generates the electrophile. Clear? So first step we have done with the generation of electrophile. Next step is formation of carbocation. हमने reagent बना दिया, which is attacking reagent we have made. Now we have to decide the intermediate, reaction intermediate. So like this is the benzene ring. Okay, just show the resonance. See, in this case, let me show the hydrogen of this. Okay, hydrogen को मैं यहाँ पे बना देती हूँ, which is this hydrogen is of benzene ring. How this bond is going to break? ठीक है? So this bond is going to break on this side because all the sides are same. So in this case, according to this product I am making, I am shifting the bond over here. Yes, the bond has gone broken on this side. So it will generate minus charge over here, isn't it? Minus charge over here, and here it will be the positive. So electrophile being electron deficient, it will attach to this minus carbon, isn't it? So that is here it is generated, and this is electrophile we got. In any compound, this cannot be called as carbocation. Sorry, I said electrophile carbocation. This compound cannot be considered as carbocation because both the plus and minus charge are there. So we cannot say carbocation or carboanion. In that compound, only one charge should be there. According to that, it will be marked as carbocation or carboanion. So once this bond has broken and then electrophile got attached over there, so it is going to result in positive charge formation on the carbon, isn't it? So this is going to form carbocation. ये carbocation हो गया. Now this undergoes resonance, so ये bond ऐसा shift होगा, then the positive charge will be here. Next step, this bond is going to break on this side, so positive charge will be generated over here. Clear है बच्चे? Any doubt in this? So what next? This is going to move. ये move होता रहेगा. तो we got this chance. We got the electron density less कहाँ है? On this position, the electron density is less. Got it? Clear है? चलिए. So ये यहाँ पे show किया गया कि how this resonance is going to be shifted. Now what is the next step? हमें कैसे हम identify करेंगे कि the compound has formed? Because this is तो carbocation. This is not a compound. So at last, what will happen? Last step is removal of proton. जो hydrogen वहाँ पे extra that we have to remove it and we have to make the bond over here. So I have taken this one structure, like पहला structure जो था, which I got it like this. I can take this or this or this. Any of this structure I can take. Okay. So this structure I'm going to take structure 1 I have taken. Any of this structure, 3 structure मैं ले सकती हूँ कोई भी, but first structure को लिया गया है यहाँ पे. So first structure is like this. What will happen? This B minus is what? This is actually AlCl4 minus. Okay, this is B minus is not actually B. It is this one. So this is going to attach. Now it has electron density very high, and the H plus, which is very is a better leaving group. So what will happen? This H will leave its electron and will go to attach with this. So now this bond is free. So this bond will shift over here and it will form double bond over here. E is there, H is there. I'm not showing this H, but H वहां पे रह जाएगा. And next क्या हो जाएगा? This H will react with this Cl minus and will form HCl. And साथ में we will get AlCl3 back as a catalyst, because catalyst का role ही यही होता है कि it doesn't change itself. It just reaction को boost up करता है, reaction को completion में help करता है, but without self change. कोई change नहीं होता. So AlCl3 we will get back. Got it? So this is the mechanism. 3 steps we have to do. First is generation of electrophile. Next is formation of carbocation, and third is removal of proton. So you have to do in all 3 steps. Got it? Now in this electrophile, it can be CH3Cl में आप ले सकते हो, it can be Cl2 में ले सकते हो, CH3COCl ले सकते हो, कोई भी ले सकते हो. Got it? So I hope it is clear. अगर मैंने specific कर दिया that you have to mention Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So instead of this ये जो लिया गया था EH or this one, you have to take this only. ये चीज आपको लेना होगा. ठीक है? So this is going to attach. यहाँ पे CH3 plus we got, and instead of this electro E plus we will take CH3 plus only. So जहाँ जहाँ E है, there will be the CH3 plus. Did you get that? Hope it is clear. अगर hallucination बोलूँगी तो this E plus will be Cl plus. So wherever this E is there, you just put the Cl. If I'm saying asking about the acylation, so this E plus is CH3CO plus, and wherever this E is there in the reaction, we will take COCH3. Got it? Any doubt? And this reaction can be used in conversion. इसको हम conversion में use कर सकते हैं. And a very important reaction I'm going to tell you that जितने भी like if this is the note you can write, if electron withdrawing group is attached to the benzene ring, it doesn't show Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, electron withdrawing group अगर benzene ring से attached है तो ये FCR नहीं show करेगा. Reason क्या? अब सब लोग एक example कर लेते हैं. Like this group is attached CH3, and I'm saying that what will be the reaction if CH3COCl is going to react with anhydrous AlCl3. So you will say that this will be the product. Mechanism you all know very well. Either this will be the product like this, or it will be product like this. Okay, so you can see that the electrophile is going to attach on the ortho or on the para position only. So electrophile जो होता है, that electrophile in Friedel-Crafts reaction, it always attached to ortho or para position. That means electron density should be very high at the ortho and para position, then only the electrophile will attach, isn't it? Are you getting it? So electrophile, to get the electrophile attack on this benzene ring, the benzene ring has high electron density at ortho and para position. Clear? But if I am adding this any like electron withdrawing group, if I am adding NO2 like this, so what it will do, it will decrease the electron density at ortho and para position. Electron density, क्योंकि आप देखोगे mechanism, you just check, it will decrease the electron density, यानी कि plus charge आ जाता है. Got it? So it will decrease the electron density at ortho and para position, and hence the electrophile cannot attach on this reaction, on this compound, and hence it doesn't go FCR. Clear है बच्चे? Any doubt in this? समझ में आई बात? Next एक और question होता है, like why this aniline, this is aniline, okay, aniline doesn't show, although this aniline is electron releasing group, but still this doesn't show Friedel-Crafts reaction, doesn't show FCR, question mark. Why? Although it is electron releasing group, but still it doesn't show. So here you will say that NH2 being Lewis acid, Lewis base, electron density high, and AlCl3 being Lewis acid, AlCl3 Lewis acid, they react with each other to form anilinium ion, or which to form the salt. ये salt बना लेते हैं, NH2 plus AlCl 3 minus. Yes, salt बना लेते हैं. This is a salt which do not undergo resonance, and hence the Friedel-Crafts reaction cannot be shown by this compound. So what you will say, that aniline being base reacts with the Lewis acid AlCl3 and form a salt which do not undergo resonance, and hence it doesn't show Friedel-Crafts reaction. I hope it is clear. So 3 questions I have told you. One, the mechanism, that is simple question. Second question, if electron withdrawing group is attached, it will not give the FCR. Reason I have told you, because it decreases the electron density at ortho and para position. और FCR में हमेशा ortho and para position पे ही compound attach होता है. Electrophile is going to attach. Still, this is, although this NH2 is electron releasing group, but still it doesn't give FCR. Why? Because this being Lewis base, lone pair donor होता है इसके पास. So being Lewis base, it reacts with the Lewis acid AlCl3 and forms a salt which do not undergo resonance, and hence FCR cannot be shown by this compound. I hope it is clear. Any doubt? Let's know about other reactions. Okay. Nitration. So nitration again, for the nitration we will use the nitrating mixture, and the nitrating mixture will use nitrating mixture. Okay. And nitrating mixture is conc HNO3 plus conc H2SO4. This is nitrating mixture. Again, if I will ask that what is the role of H2SO4, this H2SO4 act as a electrophile generator. इससे electrophile generate करता है, and what will be the electrophile? This electrophile will be NO2 plus. Conc H2SO4 act as a generator of electrophile. Got it? Mechanism will be asked. If it is asked, the same way we will go. Okay, as we have done in the previous one. So NO2, the electrophile, since in this case all the position are same, so NO2 will be attached on this. किसी भी position पे attach हो जाएगा. Now, if I will ask that this is phenol, I'm giving you, and I'm using the nitrating mixture over here. So where this NO2 is going to attach, phenol, OH, we have done that, ortho and para directive, although we will do it in next slide about this directive nature. But directive nature I have explained in your class 11th in chemical bonding only. So from there you can get it. So OH is being ortho para directing, it will direct the NO2 plus or the ortho or the para position. So NO2 will attach over here. Suppose that this is NO2 over here already, NO2 over here, and then it is reacting with nitrating mixture. You are not supposed to write NM only. Okay, you have to write conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4. So if nitrating mixture is going to react on this, then this NO2 group, now it will attach to which position? It will attach to meta position. Why? Because NO2 is electron withdrawing group. That means it is the meta directing group. So did you get that beta? ये समझ में आई बात? Okay, so is it clear? Now यहाँ से we can do some questions we can do. So let me give you the homework as conversion, that you have to convert benzene to benzoic acid. Okay, and second you will do with the ethyne to dinitrobenzene. Third you will do benzene to metanitro, one second, paranitro, let it be paranitrotoluene. And next is benzene to metanitrophenol. Okay, so these are the 4 questions that you have to do on this basis. Okay, few reactions are left, so we'll do on that basis. You have to go and do this 4 homework. Okay, this is the homework. So now sulfonation. Sulfonation, that means SO3H group will attach as an electrophile. So in this case, we use the fuming H2SO4, or we can say that the conc H2SO4. SO3 के presence में SO3 will act as a electron, electrophile generator, and this will give you SO3H. So this will attach to any position because all the positions are same over here. So this will SO3H will attach. How is this SO3H? I have already told you that H2SO4 will attach on this. It will be like this, Okay, so this SO3 will give this OH minus will come out and this will form SO3H plus. So in this way it will attach on this. Clear? Next, benzene on treatment with excess of chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 in dark yields hexachlorobenzene. अगर बेंजीन पे हमने excess of chlorine का रिएक्शन कराया in presence of AlCl3 in dark, ठीक है, then all the hydrogen will be substituted by chlorine and it will give you hexachlorobenzene. ठीक है. Next is halogenation. This is addition reaction. Now we are not doing substitution reaction. This is addition reaction. One reaction I have to tell you that in this case, let me do it here only. So if benzene, we are doing the Friedel-Crafts reaction, okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction with CS3Cl, Friedel-Crafts alkylation I am doing, okay, anhydrous AlCl3. So what it will give you? This will give you an toluene, yes, and toluene if it reacts with KMnO4. Here a very specific, very important reaction I'm going to tell you. KMnO4 is there, it will convert, or like it will convert whatever the number of carbon is present on the benzene ring, whatever, okay, it will convert this into COH group. Am I clear? This will convert into COH group. Rest will go according to that. Suppose that I'm giving you like this, यहाँ पे अगर मैंने लिख दिया H3 over here like this, and this is also undergoing reaction with KMnO4. This will, how many carbon are there? 3 carbon. It doesn't like bother whether 3 carbon, 5 carbon, 10 carbon, whatever the carbon, it will give you the benzoic acid. Got it? Carbon is attached on the benzene ring. If it reacts with the KMnO4, it will give you the benzoic acid. And along with jitne carbon bach gaye, how many carbon? 1 carbon has been oxidized in the COH. Now 2 carbon left. So this will convert into carbon dioxide, 2CO2. Is it clear? So this is a very important reaction for conversion. Use करते हैं हम इसको conversion में. I hope it is clear. Yes, बच्चे. ठीक है? So this is the important reaction. If like I'm giving you this acetophenone, suppose that this is the C double bond O CS3 and this is also undergoing reaction with KMnO4. What will be the product? This will also give you the benzoic acid. If carbon is attached with the benzene ring and that reacts with the KMnO4, it will give you benzoic acid. How many carbon left over here? 1. So this will give you 1 CO2. I hope it is clear. Yes? Any doubt? Chaliye now next move to the addition reaction. Addition reaction, halogenation. In this case, we will like what I said, no substitution. Self addition hoga. Although this reaction is not so natural, but this reaction also happen. So if we use excess of chlorine over here, okay, in presence of sunlight, what will happen? All that double bond will break and the Cl will attach over there. So this will give you benzene hexachloride, and this is BHC. Hexachlorobenzene we got in this one. So you can see that in this equation, if we have written that this is C6H6. That means it is undergoing substitution reaction. Agar hum dark में करते हैं तो this will give you the substitution reaction and all hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine. So we will get the Cl6. Got it? But in this reaction, it is addition reaction and it is done in presence of sunlight. So this formula is C6H6Cl6. Here all the hydrogen is there. All the hydrogen will be there because it is addition. It is not going to remove the hydrogen. Got it? समझ में आई बात? Okay, so this reaction follows the free radical addition mechanism, and BHC is a well-known insecticide. Somewhere it is also called as gamexine. Okay. Now hydrogenation, addition reaction. Here hydrogenation. So that means it is also called reduction. Yes. So if benzene undergoes reduction, hydrogenation, it will give you cyclohexane, and the reaction is always in presence of well-known reagent, that is Ni. Yes. Now combustion. Combustion के लिए I have told you that whenever any hydrocarbon burns in presence of carbon dioxide, it will in presence of oxygen, it will give you carbon dioxide along with the water. So C6 and the how to balance it, I have already explained. This is only SO2. How to balance it? It is CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 O2 change into XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2, or in any way you can balance this. Yes. General combustion reaction for any hydrocarbon may be given as this one I have given you here written. Okay. Now directive influence of functional group. This already we have done in class 11th only, that is in chemical bonding. I have explained few parts, and in that previous chapter also I have done in that resonance. Yes, but still let's do some recapitulation. The nature of group or substituent attached to the benzene ring is responsible for activation or deactivation of the ring towards electrophilic substitution of incoming group. Like the one is already present on the benzene ring, that is going to direct that upcoming substance, upcoming reagent is going to attach at which position. So that is called directive influence. Got it? So it will be decided by the group which is already attached to the benzene ring. So one group is called ortho and para directing group, and another group is called meta directing group. So for all the ortho para directing group, मैंने आपको short trick बताई थी. Let me read all this and then I will tell you the short trick also. These are those groups which direct the incoming group to ortho and para position, because we know that the benzene ring पे electrophilic reaction होता है. So electrophile is directed towards the ortho and para position. That means it is going to increase the electron density at ortho and para position, isn't it? Okay. So there occurs an increase in electron density at ortho and para position, and so this group are called activating group because ये electron density को increase करते हैं. So that's why they are called activating group or electron releasing group also. Okay, electron releasing group, और तो ये तो आपको बोला ही गया है ortho and para directing group. Like example, these are the example how to identify. I have told you the first member, the first element which is attached to the benzene ring, if it is sp3 hybridized, it will show plus I effect, plus R effect, will be called ortho and para directing, will be considered as activating group, will be considered as electron releasing group. Did you get that? Yes, because they increase the electron density at ortho and para position. Any doubt in this picture? So here we can see that the phenol OH group is attached over there. This, if you'll show the resonance, this is going to increase the electron density at ortho and the para. This resonance, you all know this. So if any group is going to attach on this, agar suppose that I am doing the CS3Cl reaction in presence of AlCl3, so this CS3 plus is going to attach on this position or on this position or on this position. So either it will be ortho or it will be para only. Clear? Now meta directing. Meta directing group are those group which that electron density at ortho and para position is less, because they decrease the electron density at ortho and para position. So automatically the meta position get the higher electron density. Got it? क्योंकि जो पहले से था उसको डिक्रीज करते हैं, तो मेटा पोजीशन अपने आप वो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डेंसर हो जाता है. So the electron density at ortho and para position is less, due to which the electrophile attacks at the meta position. They are also called deactivating group, and आपको example दिया था मैंने कि all the minus I effect showing group, all the minus R effect showing group, and if the first element of that compound is attached to the benzene ring is sp or sp2 hybridized, it will be meta directing group or deactivating group, except chlorine or halogen. Halogen is although electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group, but still it is electron still what we say ortho and para directing. क्योंकि अभी मैंने बताया कि जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप. So all those electron withdrawing group are called meta directing. Got it? Except this halogen. Halogen is although electron withdrawing group, but it is ortho and para directing because of the resonance. Do the resonance and get the electron density at higher at ortho and para position. So this is, you can say that NO2 CnCHO. So this is a trick. The first element with which benzene ring is attached should be sp or sp2 hybridized. Example, you can see that NO2. So this is going to, if you show the resonance, this is plus charge, plus charge, plus charge. That means electron density is lesser over here, lesser over here, lesser over here, with comparison to meta position. So automatically we can see that the meta position is having higher electron density. So electrophile will attach to this only. Got it? And that's why इसने क्या किया, अपने meta position पे electrophile को direct किया, and that's why it is called meta directing group. I hope it is clear, my dear. Any doubt in this? So important question will be asked from this, that although halogen is electron withdrawing group, but still it is it is ortho and para dietary. Why? Note, the electron donating ability of some substitution in benzene follows the order. What will be the order? Like O minus का सबसे ज़्यादा होगी NH2, Nr2, OH, OCS3. So this is the electron donating ability. If I will ask that who will react faster, in that case you can say this. Electron withdrawing ability of some substitution in benzene follows the order. Like this is the electron withdrawing group की ability है, which will decrease which will decrease the density, electron density at meta position in more extent. So ये होगा. तो यहाँ पे trimethylamine will have the highest one, then NO2, then CN, then SO3, then CHO, then COCS3, then COH group. Okay, so this is to be this is to be learned. ये order आपको learn करना होगा. So that's it, class, and thank you. This is your last syllabus over. So all the best for your exam. I hope whatever I have explained, that is clear to you. If still there is any problem, just I will say that practice more and more questions, because this is the only thing, practice, which will make you perfect. Okay, so learn the things and practice the question properly. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.